Have you wondered if one person can form and manage a company alone, yet enjoy the benefits of limited liability? Today, we will dive into the concept of one person company and understand it through the famous case of Salmon versus Salmon and Co. Limited, which laid the foundation of modern corporate law. A one person company or OPC is a unique business structure introduced under the Companies Act 2013 in India. It allows a single person to own and manage a company, combining the benefits of limited liability and a separate legal entity. It's perfect for small entrepreneurs or sole proprietors who want to formalize their business structure without needing multiple members. Now, to understand why one person company works, let's explore the landmark case of Salmon versus Salmon and Co. Limited, decided in 1897. This case established the principle of corporate personality, which means a company is a separate legal entity from its owner. This landmark English case established the principle of a company being a separate legal entity, distinct from its shareholders. Now, let's put some light on the facts of the case. Mr. Aaron Salomon, a leather merchant, incorporated a company called as Salomon and Co. Limited, transferring his business to the company. Salmon held the majority of shares and issued debentures to himself, giving him secured and credited status. Now, when the company faced insolvency, creditors sought to hold Salmon personally liable for the company's debt, arguing that the company was merely a facade for his business. Now let's talk about the judgments. The House of Lords held the company was a separate legal entity independent of Mr. Salmon, even though he held the majority of shares. Salmon was not personally liable for the debts of the company. The company of corporate personality was firmly established. Eventually, the House of Lords ruled in favor of Aaron Salmon, stating that the company was a distinct legal entity. Salmon was not personally liable for the company's debt. This decision firmly established the principle that a company, once incorporated, is separate from the shareholders or directors. So the Salmon case forms the backbone of the concept of OPC. Even if one person owns the entire business or the company, the law treats the company as a distinct entity. This allows one person company owners to enjoy limited liabilities, meaning their personal assets are protected in case of business losses. Now let's see some advantages of one person company. One person company include limited liabilities, simplified compliance requirements, and the ability to function like a private company with just one member. In summary, a one person company is a great way for individuals to formalize their business while enjoying the benefits of limited liability. The Salmon case stands as a testament to the importance of treating a company as a separate legal entity. Let us know in the comment if you have any question or suggestions for our next topic. And that's all for today's video. We hope this helped you understand the concept of one person company and how the Salmon versus Salmon case shaped the corporate law. Remember, whether you are a budding entrepreneur or a law enthusiast, the principle of a company's separate legal identity protects and empowers business worldwide. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such insightful content. Have questions? Drop them in the comments below and we will be happy to answer. See you in the next video. Toodles!